Hello everyone, welcome back to 7th grade math, and today we're going to be doing quadrants and axes. So I hope you guys are ready. Okay, so the question asks us which point is in quadrant 1. So in order to know this, you have to memorize what quadrants are what. But this is an easy way that I remember. I remember the coordinate plane and how the quadrants are as an E shape, like this. Now, this is weird, I get it, but this is basically what I'm trying to say. So, quadrant 1, it goes like this, and it makes the E. And this is the E that I was talking about. So, the first part where this corner of the E right here, change the color right here. So, this E, that's quadrant 1. Then we have this corner right here of the E, which is quadrant 2. And we have right here, which is quadrant 3. And then we have the last one, which is quadrant 4. Now, this is a simple way to remember it, and this is the way that I'm the most familiar with. But there's also other ways, such as remembering whether it's a positive or negative x. For example, in quadrant 1, it'll always be x, comma, y. There's no negative numbers anywhere. For quadrant 2, it'll be negative x, comma, positive y. For quadrant 3, it'll be negative x, comma, negative y. And then for quadrant 4, it'll be x, comma, negative y. So there are two ways to remember it, or you can just remember it by practicing a lot and just having it in your brain ready to go. But in order to have a reference and just have something you can refer to easily, you can use one of these methods to see which one is more familiar and which one's more easy for you in order to remember what coordinates belong to what. Okay, so let's start our question. It asks us what point is in quadrant 1. Now, if you guys remember, I said that this is the E right here, and this, the first point right here, would be a quadrant 1. So it would be x, comma, y. The coordinates should be both positive. So this upper right section right here, this boxish kind of thing right here, that is quadrant 1. So we can say that G is the only coordinate in quadrant 1. Let's try another one. Which quadrant is in point H? Is the point H in? So again, remember E, which goes like this, or you can remember the coordinates. This side would be the second one. So that particular point would be in the second quadrant, because this one right here, this box, is quadrant 2. So let's pick our answer, quadrant 2. And that was correct. Let's try another one. Which point is quadrant 4? Now, normally to identify quadrants, they use Roman numerals. And I know some of you may not know Roman numerals. It's not necessary to remember all of them, but it's just important to remember some of them. 1, I means equals to 1. So that's quadrant 1 if they say quadrant I, just one I. 2 I's would be equal to 2. So if they say 2 of them, that's 2. Same for 3. If there's 3 I's, that equals to 3. But then when you get to 4, you use IV. Now V stands for 5. Whenever it's on this side, a number is on this side of that, that means you're supposed to subtract it. So it would be 5 minus 1. I equals to 1, while V equals to 5. So I'll just write that right here as a reminder. I equals to 1, while V equals to 5. And there's also other letters like X, there's C, there's D, there's M. There's other letters, not all of them, but you'll learn that in a new video that I'll be releasing later on. So this number IV right here equals to 4. So the number in quadrant 4, which is right here, the coordinates in quadrant 4, which is here, is T, as we can see right there. So let's check our answer. And it was correct. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed, and comment down below on any other video ideas you have and want me to do. Until then, I'll see you all next time and have a great day. Bye!